Alright, we're going to put this top rail on here on this High Point 995 from LongShot Manufacturing. So it's a full rail. It is metal instead of plastic. And one thing I just noticed after installing this, we went to throw on this red dot here to try it out with the new grip after installing their bottom rail. Make sure you check that out too. This won't mount. Apparently the rails on the High Point are a weaver rail, and my red dot was on a picatinny mount system. So for a lot of this stuff, you're going to have to upgrade your rail just to mount it on your High Point, because
Most things out there are for the picatinny system.
on top of it being plastic. So let's go ahead and get this on here. This is they make, I believe they make shorter ones, and I know they make longer ones that come clear out here to the end of the barrel also. It looks pretty cool, but no, I can't show you guys installing this because of the YouTube guidelines or regulations and all that. But it comes with very clear, detailed instructions. That's for the bottom, but I got all the instructions for everything they sent me here, so no worries on trying to figure out how to install it. You have no problems at all. Alright, so that's with the new rail installed. So this shitty plastic thing. Okay. And I didn't know this, but this is nice. So you got this nice floss finish. It gets rid of this little stupid plastic bendy lock thing, and you just bolt it down instead. So now you have more usable rail. Like I said, they make these in different lengths. Here's what they have listed, but I'm pretty sure they have one even longer than this. Maybe this is old paperwork, because this has got to be, well, let's just say that. I know they got one that comes clear out here, like almost the entire length of the gun, so can't remember exactly which length they sent me here, but they got different lengths. But so I really like that it replaced this stupid little plastic thing that could just break. Alright, we're going to do a little experiment here. I'm going to make sure this returns a 0 each time. I got those 4 diamonds on the 4 corners there if this thing freaking focus. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Zoom in on the target?
Yeah.
Sights off. Alright, we're going to do a return to 0 demonstration. I don't have a pen or anything to mark it, so I'm just going to count these slots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So right here we need to be in the 6th slot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to shoot my steel gong out there at 100 yards. Right there. So we'll do 5 shots, take it off, put it back on, and see if it still hits. Alright, hopefully you heard all that. That was 5 hits. Find my little damn tool here. Off. Five more rounds. Five shots, 5 hits. This is really hard for me to see that because it's really dark out here. So that's 100 yards with the high point 9mm. So it returned to 0 just like it should. So that's one advantage to having this metal rail on here is the factory plastic rail can warp and bend as temperature affects it, and just because it's plastic. So with this metal one, you're always going to return to 0. You don't have to worry about that. You put it back on where it came off and it's going to return back to 0. Alright, so there's their top rail. It's so much nicer than that plastic unit that can flex. It returns to 0. It looks better. It gets rid of that stupid little plastic lock thing up there, and you can get whatever length you want. You can get shorter or longer. Like I said, they even have some that go clear out to the end. So I want to thank LongShot again for sending that out to me. Make sure you go check them out. LongShotManufacturing.com. Like I said, they make all kinds of stuff for these guns, not just the rails. They also make oversized charging handle, bigger mag release, all kinds of stuff. Go check them out. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that thumbs up button for me. Leave me a comment. Subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. See you next time.